Meow Wolf Kaleidoscope. Let's go. Run, run, run. Boom, boom. Well, that was like super trippy. It was kind of cool though. I like how you could like shoot everything and like it did different stuff. The only thing I didn't like about it was you couldn't get a score. So keep the score in your mind of what you got. But either way, that was really cool and like a really cool trippy shooting dark ride. I just really kind of enjoyed like the whole atmosphere in there. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube. You never know what other random things I might film for you. Peace.
I can feel the memories fade, seize in my mind. I can finally breathe when I'm closing my eyes.